Hi there everybody, this is Asus, and today we'll be cleaning a motorbike chain. The things that we require: first of all, you need a chain cleaner. This one's called a brake and chain cleaner. I got it from eBay. There's a cheaper one as well, but I got this one because it looks good. Another one, you need a chain lube. This is very essential. You'll try to get with one of these straw. Yeah, because that would be very helpful as well. Next thing you need is no, you won't be needing that. Here's what you need: a Grunge brush. This is very helpful actually. These are very strong, so it will remove all the dust and all that stops from the chain. So yeah, get this as well. I got this from Halfords. It was $5, not $5, £5. There's a bit of screwdrivers, Allen wrench, and I also got this. This is my toolkit to get rid of all that, all the parts of the motorbike. It's got every size, so yeah. Got this from Halfords as well. And you'll be needing a milkshake. I'm joking, you won't. You're requiring a soft towel as well. And the last thing you need is a bike stand, like this one. I got this from eBay as well. It was £20, and it's pretty good. Alright, let's get outside and look at the bike. Alright, here's the bike. I've got it on the bike stand. And yeah, my chains are real dirty, so first thing first, get rid of this. My chain is real dirty. Alright, break your chain cleaner and spray it on the chain. Right. Alright, this is where the brush comes in. Spray some onto the brush. Right. And put it in there. And all the wheels. You gotta do this as many times as possible to get rid of all that grease and all that dirt. Try to get some on the sprocket as well. Oh, it's really dirty, seriously. I don't think that's gonna go out. Wow, it's real dirt. And you can use the other side of this. Brush that. See? The next step is to spray some of the chain cleaner onto the towel. Yeah. And just bring it. try to get the excess out of the way. Need to leave it for the next 20 minutes before you apply the chain lube, but the whole of this bottle was not enough, so I'm gonna go back to Health Foods and get some more. Alright, probably get some towels as well. Let's lock the bike. We've got the chain. Alright guys, 20 minutes are up. Now we'll be applying the chain lube. Oh, take the straw off. And there. Make sure to shake it well. And apply it. Apply about 3 rounds or 4. Is this even real? Oh, there it is. Okay. Let's apply those. Oh, missed a bit. That's it. Now, let's get a tissue on the car. I got one here. Yes, I do. I got a towel on here. And make sure nothing is on the tire because they're very slippery. And wipe some of it on the tire as well. Alright, voila, that's it. Chain looks new.